Why are you always talking about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, ranting about how great he was? He is nowhere related to you. He is an icon of the Marathis and is celebrated across Maharashtra. Also, is there anything he has done for us? Nothing. I have heard this countless times, and honestly, I don't blame them because it is not their hate which is speaking, but their ignorance. If they truly knew who he really was, they wouldn't have asked, "What has he done for us?" They would have asked, "What would we be without him?" You see, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj didn't just build a kingdom, he birthed an ideology called Swaraj. At a time when India was being sliced up by invaders, he fought to remind us that this land, this Matrabhumi, belongs to its people. He took a demoralized, scattered population and built them into a wall of steel that even the so called mighty Mughals couldn't break. I mean, just look at his life. It is a masterclass in leadership. When he met the giant Afzal Khan, he didn't look at the size of the enemy, but the strength of his planning. By defeating Afzal Khan, he proved that strategy will always defeat raw power. And his legendary escape from Agra, surrounded by thousands of Mughal guards, and he didn't even draw his sword. He used a simple fruit basket and sheer wit to walk right out the front door. He proved that you don't always have to take an enemy head on. Sometimes a sharp mind cuts deeper than a blade. Even in the raid on Shaista Khan, he entered the enemy's own bedroom to strike fear into their hearts. He taught us that courage is about taking calculated risks no matter the odds. He was a visionary who looked at the ocean and saw a border. No wonder why he is the father of Indian Navy. A tactician who taught us that you don't need massive army to win, but you need courage and Ganimi Kawa or guerrilla warfare as we call it. More than a warrior, he was a protector. In an era where victorious armies treated women as spoils of war, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj set the gold standard. Par stri mate saman. Every woman is to be respected like one's own mother. Remember the daughter-in-law of Subedar of Kalyan? He sent her back with honor and gifts. A level of righteousness that reminds us of Ram Raj. Just like Sri Ram, he wasn't a ruler of land, he was a ruler of hearts. So no, he is not just a Marathi icon. He is the reason the spirit of resistance survived in this country. And yes, he doesn't belong to any particular state, but to every Bharatiya who values freedom. So tomorrow is Shiv Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Don't just wish someone a happy holiday. Take a moment to read more about him and learn about the king who lived for you centuries before you were even born. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.